This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OG, Jay, and you know who you are. It's a beautiful day in the trailer hood. It always is. You know, sun's always shining, right? Well, not always, but it is today. And, wow, what a lot of stuff coming into this humble little channel. I just got a report from my phone. Listen to how I talk. I just got an update on my phone. Two of the things that I have ordered are actually coming in early. Two more things. So we got the mixing board, already did the unboxing. I got two more things coming in sometime today, and that means we've got some more unboxings that'll be coming up very, very shortly. So that's good, and I'll give you more information on that in just a minute. First, I just want to let you know about something. As you can see, I got my suspenders on. And every once in a while, you'll see me with a sweatshirt on, and it looks like I don't have suspenders, but they're underneath because I just put the sweatshirt over it. But I got to tell you something. I submitted to Suspenders the other day, did the unboxing, and was kind of laughing at the fact that I'm turning into my dad. The older I get, I'm looking more like him, I'm acting more like him, and now I have suspenders. But I noticed something right off the bat. And I just wanted to share this with any old guys or even old gals out there who have back pain or poor circulation or just don't feel well. Suspenders can help. After wearing these for about a day, I realized just how much better I felt, and I'm not kidding. So I did a little research on the interwebs, and I ran across a bunch of different sites. This was one of them. This site is Leaf TV, and I will leave a link to this article so you can read it for yourselves. But here's the gist of it. The surprising benefits. Now, suspenders help the wearer to maintain good posture, which in turn keeps the organs and skeletal structure in proper form. That's good to know. Belts actually mimic tourniquets around the waist, and they can cause abdominal discomfort, displace internal organs, and affect circulation. Now, suspenders also cause the wearer to keep good posture because slouching would result in droopy, sloppy-looking pants, so people stand up a little bit straighter. And they go on to say that for men who carry a little extra weight, like yours truly, suspenders create a vertical eye path that's slimming to a portly frame. Well, okay, yeah, I'll go with that. I got a portly frame. But I did notice, just a very short time after I put these on, that I felt better. And things are moving around inside, a little better than they did before. And I'm not going to get into that, but I think you get the idea. Listen, I don't know if I stand any straighter. Maybe I do. I don't know. I've always had a problem with posture anyway. But my back doesn't hurt like it did before. It really doesn't. It actually, I think it has helped in that regard. Plus, I think my circulation is better. I'm actually sleeping a little better at night now, which is just crazy to me. So, yeah, suspenders. I'm a big fan, and I will promote these things as much as I possibly can. So, if you're having trouble with stuff like that and you don't want your your organs to be all squished up from your belt, which is acting like a tourniquet, and that makes sense, especially if you're losing your pants every once in a while and you're cinching them up to the last hole. Yeah, try the suspenders. It actually will make you feel better. At least it made me feel better. I don't know. If you go to Suspenders, leave me a comment and let me know. Yeah, they look a little strange, but I can do this now. When I'm talking to people, and that's kind of fun. But as far as the unboxings are going, yeah, we've got a couple of unboxings coming up. One of them will be this one right here, the Husky Brad Nailer, which is also a crown stapler. Now, I'm supposed to get that today, so within the next couple of days, hopefully we will have an unboxing and a demonstration of that. I will be able to show you what it can do. And this one, I said in the past with on different videos that in the old days, you used to be able to bump fire with these, and what that means is you just hold the trigger down and just push the gun down on the material that you want to put the nail in. This one, I am told, will do that, so that's going to be nice. When I do a lot of small projects, when I make the rustic flags, when I make the bird feeders, squirrel picnic tables, that sort of thing. It's nice to be able to bump fire and make the projects go a little bit faster, as long as you don't accidentally put it in your finger. I've never done that. Nope. Not yet anyway. But yeah, that'll be nice. And I need a brad nailer to do those type of projects, because finish nailer, the nails are just too big. That's one of the things that is coming in today. The other that is coming in is this little beauty, and I don't know how you pronounce this. Kamice. What it is a cordless, wireless headset microphone, and also it's supposed to also have the lapel style microphone, as you can see right there. I've been wanting one of these for a very long time, and these type of microphones, when you go to do the research on them, which you should do before you buy anything. I mean, we have the interwebs. You can research everything and look at the reviews that other people have done, and handy dandy videos like ones here on my channel. When you go to look at them, you'll notice right off the bat, you can buy these for anywhere from like $40 up to $1,000. It all really depends on what you're doing. If you're doing really big productions and want really, network style production value, yeah, okay, you're going to have to spend some money. This one was, I think I paid around $60 for it, something like that. So I don't know what to expect. I only ordered one of them. I really would like to have 3, but I wanted to order this one first, try it out, test it out. We'll do the unboxing. Hopefully I'll be able to demonstrate it for you at some point. I'm still waiting for other stuff to arrive, and I need an adapter for my mixing board that I got the other day. As soon as that comes in, I'll be able to put all this stuff together, and that'll be nice. I'm still waiting on another microphone, a different type of microphone. I'm waiting on cameras and a bunch of other stuff, some adapters and little stuff that I need right now. Like I said before too, I am also I'm updating everything. I'm updating the shed. I'm getting rid of a bunch of stuff in there, trying to make arrangements to get the motorcycles out within the next couple of days. I've got a co-host of sorts joining me, Krista. She will be coming by the channel at least one day a week to do some videos, so that'll be nice to have her here. She may show up today. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff in my shed, and she does a lot of rustic projects. She takes old things like old furniture and redoes them in her own image, and I'm really excited about that too, because I will show you some of the pictures of stuff that she's done, and we'll actually be able to assist her with some of these projects in the future. So that's going to be nice too, and maybe she'll get here before the tool and the microphone gets here, and then maybe we can do a quick video. I don't know, but I got a busy day. And I've been burning up a bunch of wood. Now that I have my fire pit, I've got a bunch of scrap wood, and I've been spending a couple of hours every day just sitting out on my yard, having a cup of coffee and watching the fire as I try to make more and more room in my shed. So a lot of things going on. We've got upcoming projects, how-to videos that we're going to be doing. We've got unboxings. There's going to be a lot of unboxings in the next few weeks, and we got Krista coming, so that's awesome too. I can't wait till she gets here. Plus, I have decided that we're going to give away a $50 gift card to somewhere every month. I want to do this every month, at least until the money runs out. So if I got no money coming in, I won't be able to do this, too often. But I do want to give away a $50 gift card, maybe to Lowe's or Home Depot or Harbor Freight or someplace like that. And I'm not really sure how I'm going to do that. I got an idea, but I want to go over it with Krista and some other people who are involved, and we'll see what we can do, because giveaways are great. Who doesn't like free stuff? I like free stuff, and I know you do too. So I'm going to get started with all that, and hope to see you back here on the next video. Have yourself a great Saturday, no matter where you are. I hope the sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the squirrels are playing, and you just have a great time. For the Old Guy Network, I am the Old Guy, I'm the OG, and I'm out.